Hello. Wow. Okay. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Yes, I am back, and I watched a few videos, and I want to try and make my voice like my old channel. Well, old channel, listen to me. I'm sorry. So yeah. So with my old videos, I went a bit over. I think I went like almost like that. And with the other two videos I did, I forgot to press the microphone button. And I made like a 50-minute video of getting my first new car in this game. So we're going to be back. I'm going to show you it. I'm going to show you the car. And we're just going to, try and get more. Money. So we're playing as prisoner again, of course. What? I don't know what just happened there. But anyway. So, metal. So this, if you've heard of Jailbreak, you've most likely heard of Mad City. Or if you play Mad City, you've heard of Jailbreak. So yeah, so Mad City, when it's funky when it comes to the on mobile, not on PC, I don't think. Oh, no. Why? Okay, I'm just gonna. That the spoon is not great. I'm just gonna do something quick. This is what I've never done before. Do not disturb mode. I'm still laughing, right? Yes. Sorry, I've just made sure. So, okay. Let's keep playing. Stone. Ooh. Lockpick. Thank you. Don't mind me. Let's escape. So yes, recently I got the Challenger, and today I want to go for an even cheaper car. I think it is called, yes, the Mustang for 25. We might not be able to get there. Well, actually, we might. I think we will. I don't want to spawn. Some people call it. Okay, not if that happens. Not if that happens. Ah! What's in the world? Okay, let's try a different game. Sorry. If you want, I'll leave a description when it actually starts. I should have said that at the start of the video. No. Well, I guess I didn't know. No. But if you're still watching, I'll leave a description on when it actually starts. And I actually escaped prison. How's the other speaker work? This one should have a stereo speaker. Hold on. No. Ooh! Okay, let's go. Whee! Okay. Hello, dude. Metal again. I think I found metal in the exact same box as I did right now. Oh my goodness. Actually, I'm out of. Oh, come on. Just pressed it. No, it's empty. Now here's one that I didn't do. Rope. I got a rope. Goo. Thank you. And we fall into the sea. So here, you see we have the Challenger. Oh, wrong. There. I was supposed to do the boat, not the window maker. And by the way, this was actually the first game I ever played on Roblox. I actually started this channel not too long after I started playing. That's what I'm saying. And now we have the Challenger with purple dots. I don't like this joystick. There's like this other joystick around that like you can move it anywhere except for like the jump button, of course. I never robbed from the boat. I've successfully done the jewelry once. I've robbed the bank and casino quite a few times. I've never robbed the boat either. And the new vehicle. The new robbery, the train thing. Yeah, okay, maybe it's not go there. I don't have any guns on me. I don't have any guns. I don't have any guns on me. Another thing I don't like about this is I can't find my way. Never in my life can I find the way to my thing. Okay, let's get out of here. Oh, I forgot this had a... Goodness. Just like Jailbreak. 25, it costs exactly the same as Jailbreak and it's located at like a home base. It's exact same as Jailbreak. Goodness, okay. Oh, it's here. Yes, there we go. Okay, I found it. Oh yes, go for the casino. It's almost like because what happens is at first when I started playing I could not locate anywhere. I couldn't find it. Oh, cool guy. You just killed him. Okay. I think we'll take the stairs. I like the Dick 9 shotgun. Okay, AK. Yeah. What? You need a bodyguard? Oi! I'm just gonna grab some stuff at the gas station. I'm just gonna quickly grab some money. Why does it not break in half? Well, when I mean break in half, I mean not in pieces, actually. Right. Thank you for refueling my fuel. Let's open. Let's go. I'm on rank 13. I've only noticed. I got an AK-47, so no one get me. Eek. Ow. I'm really losing health. I don't like this joystick. I really need to think of building a gaming PC. Goodness me, what? Please tell me that they don't also, they're also going to get one. I mean, a thing. Goodness me. My is Hot Rod. Okay. Actually, we're on the different one. Who are you? To customize your robbery items? Okay. Man, we're on all the way the other side. The new one. Take an AK. Take a 219. Take a machete for no reason, but okay. And take a... oh, I've already got it. And take a... there we go. We're all the way at in. Oh, firstly, how much does the buzzard cost? I think this is called a buzzard. Oh, it's a scout. No thanks. I think I'll pass. Ugh, I'm just gonna reset my character. Ooh, I got all these guns, but nah. Hopefully I don't spawn in prison. Good. Shotty, AK, and Tick. Tick 9, I mean. We'll take a machete. Get out. Oh, okay. So this is the car I want to get. This right. Still being wrong. And the pyramid. I was about to say, that's not my car, is it? That's not a healthy car. I ran out of fuel or something. wait. Do you get the dirt spot? No. Oh, wait. Oh, I thought in. Yeah. Ah, it's already being robbed. I don't know. Maybe we'll go to the pyramid. Maybe later on will be a thingy. Oh, I was about to say, can you just drop into the water? Makes life so much easier. I need to come down or come down never. Did he have a crystal thing? He didn't have crystal. I hate you! Okay, well, at least I killed him. Oh, goodness. To deal with another one. First time I've really actually had a battle. Obviously, I didn't talk much there, but... Get out of here! People come and look at us. Actually, someone is already coming back. Well, actually, I should have... Well, yeah. I shouldn't say that they're bad because they do turn us into super villains, but man, what is going on right now? Let's try that again. That's just how realistic this game is compared to Jelly. Finally, I'm actually gonna rob something. I'll try and rob without dying. The casino. There's the casino. Oh my god. This is difficult. Oh, the bank is right here. Let's try and do the bank. Maybe. I think the bank is also open. First, we have to hack ATMs. Oh, like money. Oh, and that one's already been hacked. Okay. I know supervillains are gonna come. Supervillains, sorry, superheroes, but I got a shotty for that, and a AK. Oh, actually, that shotty actually did much more damage than I thought it would. Guess it's like the jailbreak one. Does a lot of damage. Guns out at 2 times. I don't know how many police are in this. I don't think much. There's only super villains. The only different people than to just went right through it once. What? Home? Where's home? Ooh! Okay. Well, I don't know where home is, but let's just do default. And what I want to do is teams, and we're going hero. I have to. I'm sorry. Does he use... Oh, he uses like... I used to have one that I loved using. I think it might have been... What's happened to my hair? Okay. Oh, it was this guy. Look. And look. Once you're done. Boom. And he has. I'm probably gonna do a slight change to the paint coloring, but maybe let's try and just see what there is right now. I think I know where the paint is located. The paint drop person on the body face. Nope, wrong place. Some of those cars though. There's a Bugatti Veyron. And it should be red. Look over there. What did I just do? Wait, actually, really, hold on. I'm gonna have it tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Challenge. This is such a challenge. Skins. Snow. Toothpaste. Okay. Snow we could equip for now. Pinky, toxic. That's toxic. Oh, of course. How do we unlock all these? Purple. Oh, purple dots is the one that I already had. Oh, what's this? Whoa. Oh, where do we get this from? I wonder what this. Oh. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that to try and look up how to get that. Okay, sorry about that. I just put Siri on. I did not mean to do that. And yes, I am using an iPhone. You've probably seen. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know what to say. I'm probably gonna change it. Oh my goodness. So some of my favorite YouTubers right there. Whew. Wait, the thingy's under Aubrey. The thingy. The thingy. What thingy are you talking about? the, what's it called? Pyramid. I don't know how to say it. Pyramid. Okay, good. It's another filler thingy. Why do I keep saying thingy? Sorry. Another filler. I can't speak. Did my car just drop? I did so appreciate that bold. Goodness. I'm going in with no guns. But that's actually... This is a bit hard for me because I go a bit faster. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try that again. What in the world? Oh, who's that? Oh, there's another fellow person of a mob. I think there may be another supervillain, though. We don't know. I'm getting better at this. What's in the... What? Okay. No, not Voltron. Oh. Electricity. Don't want electricity. I want frostbite. Still a favorite. Hello, frostbite. Oh, I have my hair again. Goodness, this is gonna kill me. I thought a criminal would kill me. Well, actually, this is the first time I've actually got attacked, but still. Oh, and I still have hair. I now have hair, which I'm actually thankful about. But, okay. Not gonna say anything about what I'm seeing. Oh, they're just, like, you're swimming, like, by under the map. Try not to drown and fall into the abyss. I don't know, why am I doing this? Oop. These people are still robbing it? How? How? What do we do? Goodness, do I really have to do? Oi, who you and what you doing? He also has that like monkey, like that thing necklace. I keep saying thing necklace. I'm sorry. Well, thing. I'm sorry. It's just me. Oh goodness, not this guy again. He's gonna actually kill me. This guy's actually gonna kill me. This is a super enemy right now. What? I'm not. Okay. Where is he? I'd like to know. Oh! Let's go! And look how much health I have. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. It's the first time I think I've ever killed a supervillain. Interesting. Hello, Challenger. Ooh, actually, I'm Snow, and he's Snow. Well, not he's, but... Okay. What am I saying he's for, but... This car named him. Oh, no, 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 no. You're not going anywhere. I am literally just on fire right now. Right, people are still inside. I am just smoking everyone. No, literally, when I mean smoking, literally, I'm smoking. Oh, actually, hold on. I think someone's coming up. Oh! Look how much health I have. One more shot and I'm dead. Phew. Oh, actually, that was quick. I'm nearly at full health again, literally. die. He's gonna... Let's go! Ooh. Is it... What? Sorry. Distracted. New video. Well, premiere in 30 minutes. Oh, but... Oh my god, look how much money I have! Well, actually, that was literally just from... Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna end the video there. I literally just went on like a killing spree at there. Goodness me. Whew. But everyone... Yo! I thank you for watching very much. That was actually crazy. And... oh my goodness. And goodbye!